Residents of this normally quiet neighborhood are shaken today after police and emergency services responded to a disturbance early this morning.
Well, it was a horrible scene. Woke me and the missus up 3 in the morning. All the hollering, the flapping, and the carrying on. Never seen anything like it.
The suspect, Gallus Little, was reported shouting, "The sky is falling! The sky is falling." The Little family is currently unavailable for comment.
See, I'd just be standing here slinging all day long. But you know, I hear things. All kind of things happen around the neighborhood and everything. You know, that chicky bird. Man, I tell you what, Cat, that chicky bird always was wound up a little bit too tight, you dig?
Well, those wingnuts sure are everywhere, aren't they? Back to you, Bob.
That is a lot of seeds. Let's go pick them up.
Oh, hello there, good people. It's a little bit windy today. The camera's wobbling a bit, but hopefully not too bad. It was pretty windy last night, too. And today is the fourth day. Today's the fourth day that I am invested into the daylily propagation. It's going to take most of the week, I'm afraid. I came out here this morning to get some work done before it got too hot, and on the way out I looked down and what did I see but all of these seeds. They've been blown off of this huge silver maple tree that's behind me, and they're everywhere. Now, this is kind of cool. Silver maple seed, many people may not realize, is actually edible. Have a look at that. Looks like a wing, right? Flutters, has this helicopter effect. Let me get this in front of the camera, and you take this and just peel off the seed coat, the wing part. To expose the seed inside. There we go. Now once you remove the papery covering, you've got a slightly green seed, a little bit of a waxy texture that is edible. It's a little starchy. It's got lots of calories in it. The bigger the seeds are, the more bitter they are. Smaller ones are a little bit sweeter. And I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of this gift that my maple tree has given me. Gather up some seeds. And here in a little bit, I'll take them in, toss them in a little bit of oil, roast them, add some salt. I'll make a nice snack. Thank you.
Just have yourself walking around a little bit to splice, you can get yourself walking to that position. I recommend getting them out of the diffuser. Because they tend to like make nice little comforts. Oh yeah, that's a word.
Yeah.
Comforts.
Make it look like you've done work.
Oh, the barkers are back.
Oh yes, the barkers. Gotta love the barkers.
Nice little comforts there. Oh, you're like doing a, like, I'm doing like just handfuls and just skipping, going to clusters. Yeah, they're gonna germinate. We're gonna have wheat trees for weeds.
Now standing behind me is a silver maple tree. That maple tree is very, very old. It was growing here during the Normandy invasion. It was growing here during the bombing of Pearl Harbor. At one time, it was just a seed, much like this one, that flew through the air and landed on the ground. It wasn't planted. Nobody watered it, nobody fertilized it. A lot of nature is like that. That tree has grown through the years and now produces a bounty of seeds every year that we can harvest and enjoy. Okay.
Name of the valley is Meadow.
You had to make that joke now?
Why did you say that?
All right, Tinkerbell.
Seeds, but I have now, so it's easier for you. I think you can leave the inner paper on.
Huh? No, take the inner paper. Well, we're talking about the green part? Yeah, really leave the waxy green part.
Okay. I find it hard to take off anyway.
So we're sitting here surrounded by maple seeds that are still on the ground that we haven't picked up yet. Just peel them off. Yeah.
Yeah, leave the waxy part.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the
How's
part
a
that we
jumpy
cook.
bean? Oh.
So,
If you can break the wing off just right, it'll take half of the pod with it.
yep.
I
There's
can't
a
see.
little trick to it.
Ah.
Takes a little bit of practice, I think. If you wreck one, don't matter. It's,
I think she got it.
No, I got it out. I
Treat-
was just showing you how I did it. I peeled off that back part and then I just like
I dropped. Ah!
Signature crabs.
I dropped the wing in
Or
there.
miniature lobster.
they look almost perfectly intact.
How'd you do that?
I
Show me.
did it from the back.
Okay, show me.
Like
Let me. Okay.
you take
So
that bit.
you're coming from here.
I can see.
Okay.
I have a better angle.
Okay, you grabbed it there, and you're just peeling off the back part of the wing.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So spaceship.
Ah.
The wing keeps taking your time to eat.
Yeah.
Can't see.
Okay.
So from the back. Oh, I can just like twist it.
Yeah.
Pops it. Ah! Aha! Okay, so from the back, a little twist. And it pops right out. Look at that! That was easy.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a lot easier than I thought. Okay, so you hold your wing with the rib at the top, and grab the point, and
That
then you
one's
just
entirely
give it a
intact.
little twist. And sometimes it doesn't work right. Listen. We can edit that out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mine worked. Look.
You want to walk up to the camera and show them?
Okay.
You want to walk up to the camera and demonstrate?
No, thank you.
Come on. It'll be educational.
Alright.
So,
Just drum it
hold your
clean.
seed right there and give it a little twist and just squeeze and with your finger and forefinger. There you go. Your thumb and forefinger. Alright, so I'm going to go walk up to the camera and show the camera. Okay, so,
Or follow from here. Go ahead.
alright, so here we go. So you've got your seed. Get your index finger and your thumb, put them together just like that. So you can pinch the back half of the seed. Take the front end of the seed right there and give it a little twist, just to open it up. And if you pinch with your finger and your thumb, look what happens. The seed just pops right out and I drop it on the ground. It's okay, we're gonna cook it, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, it's still good. Okay, I'm gonna get these before they go bad. An awful lot like some other food that falls from the sky and has to be harvested before it spoils.
Nuts.
Not going to be going into any specifics there.
Nuts.
If you've read the book, you know what I'm talking about.
Except for on the Sabbath. You're allowed to have extra on the Sabbath.
Yeah, you're allowed to have extra for the Sabbath. Familiar with that particular book.
Oh, that one came out very nice.
You making a collection over here? Oh my goodness. Okay, fix your wings later. Beans are us.
Are these beans? Well, they're seeds of some sort.
They come in a pod.
Winged beans. Winged bean flies by night.
Winged beans. Daddy.
Good big rock.
Winged beans?
They're winged beans.
Wing nuts?
Wing nuts.
Wing nuts. Oh, I dropped one.
That was my bad.
There's a whole bunch of them down there. Thank you.
That was for you.
Okay, so we're back in the kitchen. We have some of these maple seeds that we've shelled out and are ready to roast, while the ladies work on shelling out some more.
I'm going to take some high temperature oil. This is sesame oil. You could use peanut oil also. But a high temperature oil because we want to get to a high temperature. And we just put a little bit on the bottom of the pan like so. Add the seeds that we're going to roast. And get some fire going. I'm going to start out with a high fire. And the high fire is going to get that oil good and fluid so we can get these seeds roasted. Alright, the oil is nice and fluid. Our temperature is coming up. We can hear a little sizzle coming out of there. Let's go ahead and drop our heat down to a low. And we're just going to slowly roast these seeds until they get a nice little brown going to them. So that's all we're doing. Just browning the seeds somewhat on a low heat. We'll let this run. Be back in a couple minutes. There we have maple seeds lightly roasted with some cayenne pepper and salt. Hey, did you guys see owners try one of those? I'm going to see where you fall here. I'm going to fall here. There we go. Alright, what do you think? Apparently it takes another one. Okay, still hasn't formed an opinion yet.
It's definitely a nut. At first you smelled like a sunflower seed, then you're like, not quite a pumpkin seed.
So, I guess they're no good, right? I should just take these?
They're edible. Okay.
Okay, it's another day passed, and as you can tell from looking behind me, we had some rain, which means that the seeds that we didn't collect are now soaked and are well on their way to either germinating or decomposing in place, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. We did leave plenty of seeds out there for the wildlife, for the squirrels and the birds, and of course to decompose down into the ground and add the nutrients that they carry with them to the soil. And they do carry quite a few nutrients in them. They're loaded with potassium and zinc, so not a bad food at all. As a matter of fact, they're about 41% starch, so calories, and another 27.5% protein, which is a really high protein source. And you can tell from eating them that they have that mineral aftertaste. Almost certainly zinc. Not bad at all. But we collected as many as we felt prudent, and I'm grateful to have these food from the heavens, so to speak. And yeah, not bad. Well, good people, that's all I've got for you today. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe, bang that notification bell, share this video, and I will catch you next time.